I'm going to try and show you how to fold this leather jacket today. If you have the occasion where you need to fold it, don't have any place to hang it, or you can't be hanging something. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the shoulder and I'm going to match it to the other shoulder, right about where the seam is. And just hold that for a minute. I'm going to reach up here and put my hand up under the collar and pull it straight up and shake it a little bit so that it lays out flat like that. Then I'm going to pull my hands down the sleeves and flip it down on its side, and I'm going to see if it's a little bit straight. We don't want to have a bunch of big creases when we go to put it back on. Okay, flatten my collar down. See if you can get a straight line on that side. I'm going to take the arm and I'm going to fold it over. Take the other arm and I'm going to fold it over as well, making sure it's as flat as I can get it. And then I'm going to make sure that the button area is flat, and I'm going to fold it over so that there's still the body of the coat up where the collar is when I folded it over, so that it has a little bit of protection. Flatten that out. And now you have a choice. You can fold it over itself, but I think I'm going to go ahead and fold it this way for now, because that way you won't have a huge crease right in the very front where your chest is. All right, this is one way to fold a leather jacket, and depending on if you're putting it on a shelf or in a suitcase, there are different methods, and this is just one of them. In our next segment, I'm going to be showing you how to fold another piece of clothing.